All right, so probably fair to start off with what is a VA consultant or a VA scammer? They're a non accredited company that has to use tactics like this to verify that you got an increase. They have to verify you got an increase because they don't believe you. Accredited companies like the American Legion, VFW, DAV, or AMVETS that are actually accredited by the Department of Affairs, they don't have to do these kind of tactics because they play by the rules. They don't hire a bunch of criminal felons and they actually have integrity instead of fake integrity. VA consultants, VA scammers, veteran benefits scammers, they're after your back pay. The way this whole thing works is they help you file a VA claim, which is also illegal because they're not supposed to be helping you, but they don't give a shit about the rules. And then they charge you between 5 and 10 grand for their services. They've got a little bit fancier over the years, and they've replaced the term back pay with terms like medical consulting fees. So, well, whatever they want to call it, that's fine. If they are, getting into your back pay, accessing your VA benefits so they can find out how much back pay you got, and they're charging you a piece of your back pay, it's your back pay. They can call it whatever they want. So, am I tangled up with a VA consultant or a VA scammer? I don't know. I hope not. Call the company that you signed the gigantic 19-page contract with and ask them if they're accredited. Hey, what's up, Joe and Joe scammer? Are you accredited? And when they're like, no, we're not accredited, we hid it in the fine print. That's what they do. They hide it in the fine print in their like disclaimers at the bottom of their website. Whatever company you're dialed in with right now, go look on their website. If they jammed a contract in your face, I guarantee it's on that too. Go look. If they're not accredited and they are getting a piece of your back pay, that's illegal. How are they finding out that you got paid before you did? Because they have your social security number because you gave it to them. So they are illegally accessing your social security number and your VA benefits. And we're going to do that right now. I'm gonna access mine. I'm gonna show you how easy it is for them to do this stuff. So I'm launching a new series in my boot camp, talking about how to get out of illegal contracts that these veteran benefits scammers get you into. And I want to be clear: my boot camp is a paid service. Combat Craig charges $100 for the boot camp. I don't accept veterans' private information because you shouldn't be showing it to some guy you just met on the internet on YouTube, right? So I do not get into your back pay. That's not my deal at all. You pay $100 up front. That's it. That's how the Combat Craig boot camp works. So let's go ahead and do this phone call. All right. I'm going to probably mute some of my stuff here. So let's see. 1-800 827 827 1000. All right, hopefully you can hear it now. The first thing you're going to do is hit 1 to get to the VBA. 1. Okay, now they kick me over to the VBA. I'm out of the Veterans Health Administration. Yeah.
On the walk in or we
Perfect. This is the second one. First one goes to VBA. This one gets you in. We're going to hit 1 again. Hung up on me. Fuck. Typical VA stuff, right? Let me call him back. 807,000. This happens if you're dealing with the VA. That's why these VA consultants and scammers are so effective at what they do. Come on, just hit the fucking button. Okay, trying to get in again. So basically, this screen's going to come up here, and it's a place for you to put in your number. It's your social. I can't get through it because they want me to listen to all this COVID stuff. Here it is. I'm going to mute this so you can't hear my numbers and decipher it. Mute this too. That's how easy it is. Hope this song isn't copyrighted. I get a YouTube start.
The page was called Gandhi.
46.42. That's it. That's how easy it is. Social security number and your date of birth. You gave them to up front. So that's exactly how they do it. 800-827-1000. They hit 1, go over to the VBA, and then you listen to the nag screens and all the bullshit they tell you. Hit 1 again and say, hey, I want to listen to my benefits. And they just plug in your social security number and your date of birth, and they can find out exactly how much you got paid and when you got paid. That's how they know you got paid before you know you got paid, because they got people sitting here checking up on you and stuff because they want to get their money, right? So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Let me jump in here real quick and tell you about my boot camp. If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my boot camp. You can talk to me live. There's a link on the website and in the description, combatcraig.com. And also, if you need medical evidence like a nexus or documenting your symptoms properly, go to our website, combatcraig.com, and it says medteam/nexus letters. Click on that link, fill out the form, boom, you're done.